come and create this super fun nail design with me using the new Madame Glam Neon Unity collection, which is June's collection. I am in love with all of these colours. They are super bright and colourful and perfect for this time of year. Now we're going into summer. They could not have arrived at a more perfect time. When I'm doing rainbow colours, I do like to start with the cooler colours first or the warmer colours first. So as you can see, I started with blue, then went into green, then into the goldy kind of yellow, and then that could transition me into the warmer colours. Instead of putting them willy-nilly, putting them all over the place, this is the way that I think it looks more like an actual rainbow. And this is super easy to do. You can create any shape that you like. There's no rules here, but this is the kind of shape that I created. And then using the Madame Glam gel paints, I used the white gel paint to do this kind of sweeping French tip on one side. And then using the black gel paint, I kind of went over that and created, I guess you could call this like a zebra-ish type design, but it wasn't supposed to be a zebra. It was just supposed to be some wavy type lines. But I thought this would be great for Pride Month, great for summer designs. Let me know in the comments what you think, but I love this one.